Class 8th Mathematics, Chapter number 7, Variation. In this video, we will solve Practice Set 7.1. Practice Set 7.1. Question 1. Write the following statements using the symbol of variation. 1. Circumference C of a circle is directly proportional to its radius r. So, C is directly proportional to r. Number 2. Consumption of petrol L in a car and distance traveled by that car d are in direct variation. That means L is directly proportional to d. Question 2. Complete the following table considering that the cost of apples and their numbers are in direct variation. Here number of apple is x and cost of apple is y. This is table. These are answers. Now we will see the explanation of these answers. Let the number of apple is x and the cost of apple is y. Here it is given that x varies directly as y. So x is directly proportional to y, or x is equal to ky. K is constant. It is given that when x is 1 then y is equal to 8. या ठिकाणी आपणास x ची व्हॅल्यू 1 दिलेली आहे आणि y ची 8 दिलेली आहे. So we will keep the values. Hence we will find k. या ठिकाणी आपण k ची व्हॅल्यू शोधूया. K is constant. X is equal to ky. Value of x is 1 and value of y is 8. So 1 is equal to 8k. That means k is equal to 1 by 8. This is the value of k. Now we will solve examples. If y is equal to 56, then find out x. And we know k is equal to 1 by 8. Just now we have find out the value of k is 1 by 8. So we know that x is directly proportional to y. X is equal to ky. We know the value of y. So we will put here x is equal to value of k is 1 by 8 into value of y is 56. So 8 sevens are 56. X is equal to 7. The next example, x is equal to 12. Number of apples 12, and we have to find out here the value of y, that means cost of apple. K is equal to 1 by 8, that is constant. We know that x is directly proportional to y, that means x is equal to ky. K is constant. We know the value of x is 12 and k 1 by 8. So we will put here 12 is equal to 1 by 8 into y. या ठिकाणी डिवाइडिंग मध्ये असलेला 8 इकडे जाईल तेव्हा तो मल्टिपल होईल. सो 12 into 8 is equal to y. 12 8s are 96. So y is equal to 96. Cost of apple is 96. The next example, y is equal to 160. Here cost is given and we have to find out number of apples, that means x. So k is equal to 1 by 8. We know that here x is directly proportional to y, that means x is equal to ky. So we will put here the value. X is equal to value of k is 1 by 8 into value of y 160. So 1 by 8 into 160. So we will divide here. 8 2s are 6. Here 8 2s are 6 and this is 0. So x is equal to 20. Question 3. If m is directly proportional to n and when m is equal to 154, then n is equal to 7. Find the value of m when n is equal to 14. So first here we will find out the value of k, that is constant. So m is equal to 154, then n is equal to 7 and m is directly proportional to n. M is equal to kn. K is constant. So we will put here the value of m and n. M is 154 is equal to k into 7, that is value of n. So 154 divided by 7 is equal to k. Here we will divide 154 by 7. So the answer is 22. K is equal to 22, that is constant value here. Now we will find out value of m when n is equal to 14 and we know here value of k is equal to 22. M is directly proportional to n. M is equal to kn. We will put the value here. We know the value of k is 22 and value of n is 14. So m is equal to 22 into 14. Our answer is 308. So value of m is 308. Question 2. If n varies directly as m, complete the following table. Now we will find out the values. Here m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 12 and n is directly proportional to m and n is directly proportional to m. N is equal to km. Here k is constant. We will put the value of n and m. Value of n is 12 and value of m is 3. So 12 is equal to k into 3. 12 upon 3 is equal to k. 3 4s are 12. So the value of k is 4. The first example, m is equal to 6.5, then find out n. We know the value of k is 4 and n is directly proportional to m. N is equal to km. N is equal to value of k is 4 and value of m is 6.5. So we will multiply here. So n is equal to 26. Here n is equal to 28 and k is equal to 4. So we have to find out the value of n. We know n is directly proportional to m. N is equal to km. We know the value of n is 28 and value of k is 4. So 28 is equal to 4 into m. So m is equal to 28 divided by 4. So m is equal to 7. 4 7s are 28. That's why m is equal to 7. The next example, m is equal to 1.25. Then find out the value of n. And here the value of k is equal to 4. N is directly proportional to m. N is equal to km. K is constant. So n is equal to value of k is 4 and value of m is 1.25. After multiplying, we get the value of n, that is 5. Y varies directly as square root of x. When x is equal to 16, y is equal to 24. Find the constant of variation and equation of variation. Here x is equal to 16 and y is equal to 24. So we have to find out constant of variation, that means k. We know that y is directly proportional to root of x. Y is equal to k root of x. K is constant. Now we will put the value of y and x. So we know the value of y is 24 and value of x is 16. So we will put here 24 is equal to k into root of 16. 24 is equal to k. We know the root of 16 is 4. So we will write here 4. 24 divided by 4 is equal to k. 4 6 are 24. So the value of k is equal to 6. Equation of variation. Y is equal to k root of x. We know the value of k is 6. So we will put y is equal to 6 root of x. The next example. The total remuneration paid to laborers employed to harvest soybean is in direct variation with the number of laborers. If remuneration of 4 laborers is 1000 rupees, find the remuneration of 17 laborers. Let total remuneration paid to laborer is x and employed to harvest soybean is y. Here it is given that x varies directly as y. X is directly proportional to y. X is equal to ky. Here k is constant. And here x is given 1000 and then y is equal to 4. And we have to find out value of k. So x is equal to ky. Here we will put the value 1000. Value of x is 1000 and value of y is 4. So 1000 is equal to 4k. 1000 divided by 4, that is value of k is 250. Now we have to find out the remuneration of 17 laborers. Y is equal to 17. So we will find out the value of x. K is 250. We know x is directly proportional to y. So x is equal to ky. We will put the value. X is equal to value of k is 250 and value of y is 17. So 250 into 17, that is 4250. So the remuneration of 17 laborers is 4250 rupees. So friends, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for next practice set.